Welcome to a video presentation by Team 44. This video presentation will be based on sustainable potato production. To start off this presentation, we have to know the need for why potatoes need to be grown in a sustainable way. The global population is growing rapidly, creating a greater demand for food. At the same time, traditional farming practices have led to environmental degradation. This presentation explores sustainable ways to increase potato production while minimizing environmental harm and ensuring abundant yields. Potatoes are significant because firstly, potatoes are important because it is widely consumed throughout the world, with more than billions around the world consuming potatoes on a daily basis, resulting a production value surpassing 374 million metric tons. Secondly, potatoes ensure food security. Thirdly, it promotes economic activities for small-scale farmers through sales. Fourthly, supports local trade for small-scale farming communities. There were some challenges identified that traditional potato farming had, and they were: soil degradation. Because of the intensive farming practices such as monocropping, the overall value of the health takes a huge toll, as well as the surrounding environment around the farming area is gravely affected by these practices. Water pollution. Because farmers use fertilizers to maximize yield, their runoff pollutes nearby water sources and causes processes such as eutrophication. Greenhouse gas emissions. The energy required to plant, develop, and harvest the potatoes emits CO2 along with other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Climate change. Because of global warming, along with many other factors affecting the environment, the climate and weather conditions for growing potatoes become erratic and unpredictable, hence fluctuating the yield of potatoes. Diseases and pests. Due to fluctuating and unpredictable weather, potatoes are more likely to catch diseases and become more. In order to feed the growing population sustainably, a solution was deviated. That solution is vertical potato farming. Vertical potato farming is a method that involves vertical farming as a farming method where potatoes and other plants are stacked on top of one another in tower-like columns. Nutrients and water are pushed up from the ground to the roots of the potato seedlings via capillary action. It is evident that the use of land space and soil is minimal, and yield is abundant. That is why it can be a good solution. How can vertical potato farming feed a growing population and have minimal impact on the environment? It can feed a growing population because abundant yield is produced in a smaller space. Can be set up anywhere. Controlled environment. It can have a minimal impact on the environment through limiting the land usage. Conservation of water. Decreased pesticide use. Lower carbon footprint. Environmental and social benefits of the solution include: reduces land and water use, limits pollution and land degradation, enhances food security and economic opportunities, improves farmers' livelihoods. In conclusion, by adopting modern, eco-friendly farming techniques, we can ensure sustainable potato production while protecting the environment and meeting the food needs of a growing